In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can turn on your Facebook professional mode, whether you are using it from your mobile phone or also from your computer. With any further ado, let's get started. So here is a key thing that you should be aware of before turning on your Facebook professional mode. If you know you have locked your Facebook profile, ensure that you turn it off for this professional mode to be enabled. So I believe that you have already unlocked your Facebook profile. So now here is the thing that you should know from Facebook. Alright, here is a help guide from Facebook that you should be aware of about when turning on your professional mode from Facebook. Here's the benefit that you're going to have, whether you want to start your business or also you want to be serious in your content creation. Turn professional mode on or off from your Facebook profile. So here's the thing that we stated from Facebook. Professional mode gives you access to professional tools and insight that can help you fuel your professional presence from your Facebook profile. If you are eligible, you can access monetization product to generate income from your content. So here, this is a great feature that Facebook professional mode will help you to get once you enable it. As a business person or as a content creator, you have access to the monetization. So let's head on to the Facebook and let's see how we can enable the Facebook professional mode. So go and click on your profile picture. Once you hit the profile picture, you will see three buttons. These three buttons, you will see a pop-up, and you will see here, once it pops below, you will see the section where it says turn on professional mode. As for me, I've already turned on my professional mode. That's why I see turn off professional mode. So once you have turned on your professional mode, you will see this section where they say you are now a digital creator, and also you see again professional dashboard. So let's hit on the professional dashboard. You have the section that is say insight. It's going to tell you about how your Facebook profile is doing well. So of course you can see the views that I already have. You can see the insight, content, monetization, engagement, and many more features that you can have once you turn on your Facebook professional mode. So this is a simple way on how you can turn on your Facebook professional mode from your computer. So now let's go and turn it on from my mobile phone. Once you open the Facebook from your mobile phone, click from the section where your photo is, and also you are going to see the three dots. Click on the three dots, scroll down below, you are going to see the section where it says turn on professional mode. For me, I've already turned on my professional mode. That's why you're saying turn off professional mode. So I'm not going to turn it off. Once you turn on your professional mode, you're going to see this one. And you're also going to see the section that they say professional dashboard, just like we have already seen from my computer. Alright. So you're going to see the section. You're going to see home, insights, content, engagement, monetization. So this is the feature that you are going to see once you turn on your Facebook professional mode. So these are the simple steps that you can do to turn on your Facebook professional mode. So I know you find value in this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video, and also leave down your comment to tell me how it went for you when you turn on your Facebook professional mode. Alright, I really do appreciate, because there are more video coming up, and I see you in the next video.